Hi everyone, this is Mike Makers from makersgeneration.net. Thank you for tuning in today. Um, we keep going on the series of tutorials we started on coding for the kids, and for that we use Scratch. So if you want to do the same, so you want to go to Google and type Scratch. So for that you need a computer and internet access, and you click on Scratch. And from there, you click on create. So you wait a couple of seconds. So you have a small window here for the tips. So since we started, we saw the different part of the interface. With the sprite, backdrop, the code. We see the code, the costume, and the sound. So what we can do also, we can also create our own sound. So this is what we're going to see today, how to create our own sound. Since last time we saw how to load a sound that's already created. So you have the different topics here, for things for sports, space, or whatever. Pretty nice. And so for that, you need to go to the sound tab. After that, you go and choose the sound, and you click on the microphone for record. So you need to give access to your microphone, and you click on allow. So to do that, you click on record, and from there you can create your. So voila. When you finish, you click on stop recording. Record, and from there you can create your. So voila. When you finish, you click on. So there it is, and after that you can click on save, and click on save, and from there, if my memory is correct, so you just need to click on upload sound from there. Okay. Where did it upload it? I think we may need to go to sound, video, music. Okay. Give me 1 second. Sound recorded, and you click on export. I'm sorry. You click on export from there, and from there you click on export, and you will go to your download folder. So you go there, click on it. So you're gonna see it here recording. You copy it. I just cut it, and from there you can just go and put it on music, so everything is in order, and you click on paste. That's it. Pretty nice. And from there you go back to your icon there, and you click on upload sound, and you click on that, and you go to music. That's it. Yeah, so if you don't like this one, you can just remove it, and that's it. Record, and from there you can create your. So this is how we record our own sound, so the kids can have fun with that. So we really enjoy it. I can tell you that. So, I have experience with them on Scratch. They really enjoy it. So that's one of the way we can do that. And that's it for today. So I hope you enjoyed. If you enjoyed the video, please click on like, and share the video with your friends or whoever wants to join. Don't forget to tell your friends, family. So this is a free class. This is a free class online. So I do videos every week. So please share with people around you, your family, friends, neighbors, whoever have kids and they want to share for free the knowledge that I have. So stay tuned. So more to come next week.